Drink carrot juice for a week and your body will thank you. You don't need to be Bugs Bunny to understand the carrot juice hype. From bite and crunch to swig and sip, it's a perfect way to nourish your body. Carrot juice is not only delicious and refreshing, but is also full of nutrients like vitamin C, A, folate, antioxidants, and benefits your body in many ways. Plus, it is low in sugar, so you don't have to worry about empty calories and weight gain. Are you still not convinced? In today's video, we will show you the 13 impressive health benefits of carrot juice that will surely make you lug out your juicer and prepare a healthy, refreshing drink. Number 1. Rev up your metabolism. Do you always feel tired, have skin issues, or gain weight just by seeing food? Maybe that's because of your slow metabolism, but the good thing is you can boost your metabolism by sipping a refreshing carrot juice. It increases the production of bile, which results in increased metabolism and weight loss. So it is time to replace your carbonated, sugar-filled drinks with a healthy and yummy alternative. You can add ginger or mint to enhance the flavor and nutrients. Number 2. Reduce cancer risk. Cancer is one of the most common causes of death worldwide, but do you know you can reduce your chances of getting cancer by drinking a glass of carrot juice daily? A study published in the journal Anti-Cancer Agents in Medicinal Chemistry shows that bioactive compounds present in carrots can inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. Plus, it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which protect the body from free radicals and reduce DNA damage, thus lowering the risk of getting cancer. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Strengthen your immune system. Tired of getting sick again and again? Maybe it's because of your weak immune system, but don't worry because you can boost your immune system by sipping a delicious and refreshing carrot juice. According to a study published in the Journal of Immunology Research, appropriate vitamin B6 intake can enhance the function of immune cells, and you can get 30%, 240 milliliters, of the recommended amount of vitamin B6 with 1 cup of carrot juice. Other vitamins like vitamin A and C in carrot juice also benefit your immune system by protecting it from radical damage. Number 4. Support a healthy heart. It is beneficial for your heart in several ways. Firstly, carrot juice is a good source of potassium, a mineral essential for proper blood pressure regulation, thus decreasing the risk of stroke and heart attack. It is also full of antioxidants, which decrease oxidative damage and reduce the chances of heart diseases. A study published in the journal Nutrition shows that carrot juice consumption decreases lipid peroxidation and increases total antioxidant status in the body, which results in a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Number 5. Improve skin conditions. What's more, it can also add glow to your face. Being rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it nourishes your skin and gives you a glowing, healthy look. 1 cup of carrot juice gives you 20% of the recommended daily vitamin C, a nutrient necessary for collagen production. Plus, the carotenoids present in carrot juice protect your skin from UV rays and maintain your skin health and appearance. Number 6. Boost your brain. A study published in the journal Alzheimer's Disease shows that vitamins C, E, and beta-carotene protect the brain and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. And guess what? You can get all of these nutrients in abundant amounts by drinking carrot juice. It is also rich in luteolin, a chemical compound that can reduce age-related memory issues. So, are you ready to boost your brain with this healthy drink? If you don't like its flavor, you can blend it by adding other fruits and vegetables. Number 7. See more clearly. We all have heard how great carrots are for your eyes, and yes, the rumors are true. They are beneficial for our eye health. Vitamin A is essential for healthy vision. It is required for rhodopsin formation, a protein in your eyes, and maintains a clear cornea. And you can get 2,290 micrograms of vitamin A from 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of carrot juice. It is even more than the daily recommended amount. Other nutrients like vitamin E, carotenoids, antioxidants also help combat eye disorders like macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma. Number 8. May protect your liver. Your liver is a gatekeeper to good health, and by drinking carrot juice, you can take care of it. The carotenoids present in carrot juice promote liver health, Antioxidants and other vitamins and minerals reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. According to a study published in the journal Hepatobiliary Surgery and Nutrition, carrot juice reduces the risk of NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, by protecting against inflammation and lipid peroxidation. It also helps cleanse your liver by flushing out the toxins and harmful chemicals in your body. Number 9, improves oral health. A freshly squeezed glass of carrot juice is a good way of keeping your mouth healthy. Sipping supports the blood flow in your mouth and gets rid of the toxins from your gums. It also forms a shielding layer on your teeth that prohibits the development of new bacteria. Carrot juice contains fluoride. It keeps the tooth enamel protected by preventing decay. So instead of sugar-filled drinks, go for carrot juice. It also gives you a nice, refreshing breathe. Number 10, lowers cholesterol. Having high cholesterol can lead to multiple diseases like heart attack, diabetes, and hypertension. Now, the good news is you can control it with your diet. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition shows that consumption of carrot juice modifies cholesterol absorption and bile acid excretion. More bile acid production and excretion can lower the LDL cholesterol by 10 to 20%. You can replace your unhealthy, fat-rich snacks with carrot juice. It is refreshing, nutritious, and filling. Number 11, promote lung health. With increasing environmental pollution, it is essential to take good care of your lungs, and carrot juice can help you in this regard. According to a study published in the International Journal of Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, adequate vitamin C intake can significantly reduce the risk of pulmonary disease. And by drinking 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of carrot juice, you can get 20.4 milligrams of vitamin C. That's about 23% of the recommended amount. Other nutrients in carrot juice also keep the lungs healthy and functioning. Number 12, manages blood sugar level. Despite its sweet flavor, it can help manage your blood sugar level. It will keep you full for a long time and help to stabilize your blood sugar levels. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidative properties of purple carrot juice improve glucose tolerance and reduce the risk of diabetes. Just try not to add too much sugar or flavor to your juice, and if you have diabetes, it is good to consult with your physician before making any dietary changes. Number 13, healthy option for pregnant women. A pregnancy invites several unwanted tips from everyone. One of them is drinking fresh carrot juice, and surprisingly, this tip works. It is healthy for both pregnant ladies and nursing mothers. It is rich in nutrients like calcium, folate, and other vitamins and minerals, which nourish the baby and reduce the chances of congenital diseases. For nursing mothers, it is a great way to enrich the milk with vitamins and minerals, which helps to keep your immune system and your baby's immune system strong. So, are you ready to add this nutritious drink to your diet? It is easy. You only need to add carrots in small pieces to a blender, and your nutrient-boosting drink is ready. You can add several other herbs, fruits, or vegetables to enhance the flavor and nutrition. It goes well with orange and beetroot. Will you start drinking carrot juice after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!